How to schedule an email in Gmail on PC. So here is a step-by-step guide to schedule an email in Gmail on your PC. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your Google Chrome and simply navigate to the gmail.com and make sure that you are signed into your Gmail account. Now once inside the Gmail account, all you have to do is tap on the compose option available at the top left corner of your screen. Now, simply fill in the recipient, subject, and message body. Make sure to enter all the details correctly. Now, once done so, all you have to do is, instead of clicking send, click the small arrow beside the send button. Then, click on the schedule send from the drop down. Now all you have to do is select one of the suggested time like tomorrow morning, or click pick date and time to choose your custom schedule. After you click on the pick date and time, then click schedule send. After selecting your preferred time, you can simply choose any according to your calendar available there, or you can also change the time at the right hand side and simply click on the schedule send. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.